Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to present the Union Budget 2025 on February 1st. The first part of the Parliament's budget session will run from January 31st to February 13, while the second part is scheduled from March 10 to April 4, 2025. The Narendra Modi government faces high expectations to provide income tax relief for the salaried middle class and the common man, particularly amid rising living costs. Economists suggest that the budget should focus on boosting consumption to stimulate the economy, as GDP growth has slowed to a multi-quarter low. Now let's dive into 2025 Union Budget expectations. Reforms for real estate. Experts urge measures to enhance ease of business, streamline approvals and attract investors, particularly in commercial and luxury real estate. Fintech and MSME growth. The fintech sector seeks credit relaxation, tax incentives and R&D credits to foster innovation, especially in Tier 2 and 3 cities. Green hydrogen economy. Grinzo Energy advocates for subsidies and PLI scheme revisions to make green hydrogen more economically viable. Sugar sector incentives. Vishwaraj Sugar emphasizes the need for PLI extensions and financial support to stabilize the sugar and biofuel sectors. Digital economy boost. BuyUP.ai calls for greater investments in AI, data-driven innovations, and immersive technologies to solidify India's position as a global tech powerhouse. Manufacturing and sustainable real estate. Cone Elevators anticipates support for sustainable construction and manufacturing sector growth through technology investments. Organic farming and food processing. Organic Tattva highlights the need for financial incentives and capital subsidies to boost organic farming and food processing. Electric vehicle adoption. Oben Electric advocates for a simplified GST structure and expanded EV subsidies to accelerate adoption. Skilling and small business support. Wadhwani Foundation stresses the importance of skill development and AI-driven learning to empower startups and small businesses. Tax relief for middle class and seniors. Proposals include raising tax exemption limits and increasing home loan deductions to boost disposable income. Railways for economic progress. TCI suggests increased capital expenditure for railways and infrastructure improvements to support logistics and job creation. Women's empowerment. Grading.com calls for financial inclusivity and gender-sensitive tax measures to empower women in the workforce. Co-working space growth. iSprout seeks tax relief to support the expanding co-working space sector, crucial for startups and SMEs. Cybersecurity focus. Juxio Technologies emphasizes the need for investments in cybersecurity to ensure India's leadership in the digital economy. Section 80 Subsection C revision. MRG Group recommends increasing tax deductions under Section 80 Subsection C to ease home ownership amid rising property prices. Green finance for EVs. Credifin Limited advocates for green finance schemes and expanded subsidies under the FAME program to boost EV adoption. Railways, mega orders and safety. Expecting a focus on safety, technology and mega wagon orders, TCI emphasizes improving railway logistic efficiency. As the budget approaches, these diverse sectors hope for strategic interventions that will foster growth and create a more sustainable and inclusive economy.